Mr. Worst here. You're about ready to forecast. And I want to tell you about mechatronics because a lot of people don't know what mechatronics means. Mechatronics is the combination of mechanical and electronic systems. It includes like computer engineering, electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, everything all mixed together to make things happen in the real world. Kind of think about robots or machines. How do you make those things, use those things, operate those things, troubleshoot those things? Really fun. The big idea too is biggest industry in Oregon is the semiconductor industry, like people who wear these suits and make microchips. These classes were built in collaboration with the local industry. Students get hired straight out of high school. You can, and your employer may pay for all of your college, which is pretty awesome. So let me explain. All these mechatronics classes are 1 semester long. So even though there's 8 classes here, you can really think of it like 4 classes, 4 year-long classes, but we put them in 1 semester chunks so that way it's easier for you to schedule. Okay. So mechatronics 1 and 2, those are robot classes. You get science credit, or it can be an applied art credit. You play physics games with robots, building, troubleshooting. It's really fun. You can also start in mechatronics with the design series. You could do both these at the same time. Now, mechatronics design uses SolidWorks CAD. It's an engineering level tool that if you go into engineering as a career, you may use SolidWorks CAD at the firm you work at, except your firm is going to pay $10,000 per seat. We pay a lot less than that with an educational discount. You can get up through a professional level certification in high school that can stay on your resume for your whole life. It's amazing. We had already some students, even a student as a freshman, got certified. It's pretty awesome. So you can start both those places. So if you're new to mechatronics, if you want to take a full year of mechatronics, you can do mechatronics 1 and 2, or you could do mech design, advanced mech design. Or if you want to take 2 full classes for the full year long, you'd sign up for mechatronics 1 and 2 and mech design and advanced mech design. Now, let's say you've already done some of this stuff down here. Go and take mechatronics 3 and or 4. So mechatronics 3 is how microchips work. This is dual credit in the PCC microelectronics degree. By the way, this is Intel, quote unquote, Intel University. It's Intel's internal training program that they gifted to PCC in 1990. It's still relevant. It's still how chips work on the internal part. Anyways, so Mechatronics 4 is building, maintaining, troubleshooting 3D printers. Super fun, super hands-on. And finally, the whole Mechatronics verse ends in Mechatronics processes capstone. So first you start off by learning about laser etchers, CNC routers, SLA 3D printers. SLA 3D printer is a goo laser. So it's got resin and a laser. It cures the resin and you like pull an object out of the goo. It's awesome. UV printers, vinyl cutters, really cool tools. And in the end, an option is to build a jet boat that works, that like jets through the water. Now, I can neither confirm nor deny this may be Mr. Richardson right here. Anyways, you should take mechatronics, think engineering, think fun, hands-on, applicable learning. See ya.